I know why you're here. I totally would have clicked on this video too. This is my open letter to you. Dear Mediocre Mom. Hey there, I see you. In fact, I am you. Really, this digital letter is as much written to me as it is to you.
Ow!
Here's a few things I want you to know as a professional organizer, quote unquote. It applies in all of it. When the ending of school gets crazy, when guests come to visit and you have a great time making memories, when life is easy and fun, and when it's hard too. I think somehow we've accepted as fact, maybe from YouTube or social, that our imperfect, annoying, messy selves get in the way of organization. And maybe that's true. But honestly, I think it's the other way around. I often feel it's the way we see organization, or the ideal of what we wish we had, is what's really getting in the way of what it means to live a balanced, organized life. I've talked with so many women these past weeks about this exact topic, and I wish the message reached further. And today, I want to share with you 3 mindsets that motivate me every day, and I hope they lift your spirit and leave you feeling ready to take a step. 1. Mediocrity is great. The idea of accepting temporary mediocrity for the space your family lives in feels like you're falling short, or it's even embarrassing, but it's actually really powerful. It took me some really challenging life seasons to embrace this more, and I have to choose it every day. It's not a mindset that comes naturally to me. The definition of mediocre is ordinary, of moderate quality, just fine. After all, life is just kind of unavoidably gross. And to be totally honest, cleaning can be kind of obnoxious. At least it is for me. Let's be clear, I'm not talking about accepting complacency. That's never the goal. But the point is, mediocre means radically realistic. It moves us away from an all or nothing mentality that's really damaging to progress. Since when did we start believing that all the things have to be done for anything to matter? Let go of what doesn't matter right now in favor of little wins, definition, balance, and a really gross steam mop pad, since I literally never have the time to do this. Downstairs, but let me show you upstairs. I have no idea what we're gonna get up here. Oh my goodness. Hi guys. Mediocrity gets me out of bed to do something. You won't have time for it all anyway. I'll stop this and go get them. 2, find your inner friend. When I feel really defeated and overwhelmed, or like an imposter compared to all the moms and wives better than me, not literally creating mosquito baths in their backyards, I remind myself to think like a friend. People that love you see you in a more gentle way than you see yourself. What would they tell you about the undone laundry when you're at your wit's end? We're just gonna close the door on that. Tomorrow. I can choose to embrace that friend in me and love and encourage her, and forgive the faults in favor of celebrating victories. Yes! And when that feels impossible, because it sometimes does, remember your kids are watching. Your words become theirs. They're hearing what you say about yourself. And I want my kids to know mommy loves herself just like they do, even when she falls short. Good night, Owen. 3, why is the way? One of the most powerful questions you can ask is, what is your why? Why are you cleaning? Will it better today? Will it help your current mental health? Help your family? Is it an investment in tomorrow? When you know your why, you uncover not only where to start, but where to let go. And then just do it. Even the smallest of tasks can positively contribute to your why. And by the way, your mindset totally matters. Your mindset in cleaning. This is really powerful, but can also be really hard for me. Focus on the good you can do with the time you have. Focus on the mess, and you'll miss the memories. And if this digital letter does anything, I hope it reminds you to celebrate the mediocre, the ordinary. I am ordinary, extraordinary. And so are you.
You are extraordinary. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
I should get a cordless vacuum. I actually have one. Why am I not using it? I don't know.
And I'm going to sleep in tomorrow until 8 o'clock in the morning because school is over, and I'm going to give my mom so much extra sleep.